The Mysterious Sketch of Oak Island, FLX157. By the Oak Island Compendium. Compendium Investigations is beginning a series of posts analyzing different aspects of the mysterious sketch that was presented on last week's episode on the Curse of Oak Island called Hi-Ho Silver. Our goal is to shed some light on whether this sketch is a possible clue to the Oak Island mystery or a fraud. First, we are examining FLX157 that appeared on the uppermost portion of the sketch. What does this mean? Is it some sort of code? The compendium has been working at figuring out what this is referring to and what it may mean. While the compendium is still studying all possibilities, we suspect that the presenter, John Edwards, conveyed the following interpretation to the Oak Island team. After careful research, we came up with the following. FLX157 equals sign, Let There Be Light, Fraternity of the Rosy Cross. First, we begin with the letters FLX. It appears that FLX could be a shorthand abbreviation for the Latin phrase Fiat Lux, which means, let there be light. It is taken from the third verse in the book of Genesis from the Christian and Hebrew Bibles. In Freemasonry, it is a greeting and associated with illumination, which is a goal of all Freemasons. In Rosicrucianism, it is the same concept but with a more extensive involvement and explanation. This would be a term that all Freemasons and Rosicrucians would be familiar with and recognize. Second, we look at the number 157. This could mean virtually anything. Although, taking into consideration the tie to Freemasonry and Rosicrucianism that Fiat Lux has in this case, we suspect that 157 could be interpreted as cipher code. When analyzing this number in simple cipher, 157 is the equivalent to Fraternity of the Rosy Cross. Simple cipher is a substitution cipher system, in this case using the Elizabethan alphabet. Why would this alphabet be used? It appears that the number 157 was encoded in high frequency in association with the works of Shakespeare. The entire meaning of FLX 157 on this sketch of Oak Island could be interpreted as a connection between Freemasonry, Rosicrucianism, Oak Island, and Shakespeare. During Edwards' presentation, it seemed like an awkward transition between the sketch of Oak Island that was being discussed and the introduction of Peter Amundsen and the Tree of Life theory. It seems that the FLX 157 association with Freemasonry, Rosicrucianism, Oak Island, and Shakespeare may have been a casualty of the cutting room floor. It certainly would explain this awkward transition. The compendium is aware of Edwards' work involving Oak Island, which involves symbology relating to Freemasonry and Rosicrucianism. This includes cipher code that was related to Sir Francis Bacon and the theory that he was the author of the works of Shakespeare and King James Bible. We will be reviewing tonight's episode, Wet and Wild, and analyze the next part of Edwards' presentation for our readers. Please look for more posts regarding the mysterious sketch of Oak Island for our continued analysis on the details of this map. Please visit www.theoakislandcompendium.com for this article and all of our other content regarding the Oak Island mystery. The Compendium would like to thank our friend and colleague Christopher Morford for suggesting FLX could be interpreted as Fiat Lux to us. We appreciate Christopher's permission to share this information with our readers. Good day from the Compendium. Daniel and Charlotte,